Want to dive into the stock market but feel intimidated? Let's break down exactly how to buy stocks on Revolut step by step so you can start investing confidently. First, open your Revolut app. If you don't have one, download it and go through the sign-up steps, including KYC and AML checks for verification. Then, tap the Wealth tab. Why Euro? That's your gateway to the investment world. Next, select stocks. You'll likely need to answer some questions about your investment experience and risk tolerance as part of Revolut's suitability assessment. Once ready, use the search bar to find the specific stock you're interested in. Why Euro? Type in the company name or ticker symbol. On the stock's information page, you'll see a real-time price chart and details about the company. Take some time to research and understand what the company does before proceeding. When confident, tap the buy button. Now, you need to decide on your order type. A market order buys the stock at the current market price. A limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Why Euro? The purchase won't happen unless the stock hits that price. For beginners, a market order is usually the simplest. Also, enter the desired amount. Why Euro? You can buy fractional shares on Revolut, meaning you don't need a lot of money to start. Review your order details carefully. Ensure the stock, amount, and order type are correct. Remember that investing involves risk, and prices can go down as well as up. Read the important disclaimers provided by Revolut. Once you're sure, tap Confirm Buy. Congratulations! You've just bought your first stock on Revolut. You can now view your holding in your portfolio. Always monitor your investments and stay informed about the companies you own. That's it. Easy, right? Keep learning about investing, diversify your portfolio, and remember to invest responsibly. Happy trading!